In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a project in Canva. If you want to duplicate an existing project instead of starting from scratch, Canva makes that process very simple. Creating a copy is especially useful when you want to reuse a design, keep the original version untouched, or make edits without affecting the first file. This can save time and help you stay organized, especially if you work with multiple versions of the same design. To begin, open Canva and make sure you're on the main home screen. Once you're there, look for the Projects section. This is where Canva stores your saved designs, folders, images, and other content you've created or uploaded. Go ahead and click on Projects to open it. Inside the Projects area, find the project that you want to duplicate. Take a moment to confirm that it's the correct one before moving forward, especially if you have several files with similar names or thumbnails. When you've located the right project, look to the side of that project card or row for the 3 dots. These 3 dots open a menu of additional options related to that specific file. Click on the 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Make a Copy. Once you click it, Canva will create a duplicate version of your project. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the design, this may happen instantly or take a moment to finish. After the copy is created, you should see the duplicated project appear in your Projects area. In many cases, Canva will label it as a copy, so you can tell it apart from the original. This is a good time to rename the duplicated version if you want to keep your workspace neat and make it easier to identify later. That's all it takes to copy a project in Canva. Open Canva, go to Projects, click the 3 dots next to the project you want, and select Make a Copy. It's a quick and practical feature that can make editing and version control much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.